to us in Luqat Okena Aheed, in a dialect that teaches our children to fear their mother's tongue, as if it weren't a language that soothes the palate, like a sweet welcoming of Lido Beach, like a bitter taste after I read poems about tyrants trying to overtake Mogadishu, of my mother's childhood, of the way her hair would meet her tailbone, the way my mother's hair fell out at the border, as if almost to save pieces of her fled from her in the same way she fled Kismayo. Nobody flees white sand and ocean air unless her children's survival precedes life. So tell me what this land can give me that has not already instilled into my father's ancestry. That our men did not gather in circles and combat, in traditions of Sayli'i, Iadanto, a neighborhood gathering, a faction, an assemblage of Sotawao Iladel. Even though the missiles felt our blood, let me translate. Even though the missiles felt our blood is warmer than the missile. Our art was a political resistance that illuminated the sky and the Indian Ocean. Look at my flag. Tell me that Shantigesod meant anything other than Imada. Be prudent, dutiful, and always patriotic. Because when you lose Nakhankada, you have lost your bloodline, nucleus, your home. It is not etched into the cement that our children are killed on. Sometimes you flee warfare and are met with death at the same border you were seeking asylum on. The blood of a black boy is still searching for a home, a wall to drive peacefully on. Maybe this is why Hoya fled, in search of a death that may approach sooner than we prayed for it to, maybe peacefully this time. Maybe this is why Hoya always said, Ilaho, Haigohor Qadir. Ilaho, Haigohor Qadir. Ilaho, Haigohor Qadir. God, please do not take my children before me. God, please do not take my children before me. God,